It's 2025 and mostly everyone is looking at crypto, Bitcoin, altcoins, and meme coins. Now, of course, in this vast environment, you have hundreds of exchanges that you can use. Some are fantastic, some not so fantastic. But in this video, I genuinely want to share with you the ones that I trust the most and enjoy using the most, but also exchanges that are giving away sign-up bonuses right now at this time, so you can get signed up, get free trading bonuses to begin your journey, or just to simply try on another shoe, right? So yeah, as you can see, there are hundreds of exchanges. Just going through this list, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. It doesn't matter how far down I go, there seems to be an exchange everywhere nowadays. So first one I want to show you is KSEX. Now, this is a great exchange if you want to have no KYC, use it anywhere in the world and remain fully anonymous, but also it's very trusted. It's highly liquid. They've got tons of trading pairs, and what they're doing right now is giving away $370 to people that sign up basically today. And they're also doing a 10% deposit bonus in conjunction with this. So trade anywhere with the KSEX app. You can use it on your phone, your laptop, your computer, and KSEX, of course, is one of those very easy to use exchanges. Now, the thing is with KSEX, there is not an on-ramp feature. So when you do go into the deposit section here, you have to actually deposit from another exchange. So you have to use something like MEXC or Bitfinex, where you can actually on-ramp fiat directly into the exchange. So right now they don't have a Web3 payments way to do this, but you can send it from a wallet or another exchange straight into KSEX. So that can be a turner for a lot of people, but it's a great exchange. You know, other than that, it just does what it needs to do, and that's simply trading and buying and holding. You can leverage trade, you can spot trade, you can enjoy tons of different coins. The future side of things is really tidy as well. As we can see right here, here is the futures side of things, where you can do your isolated and cross margin plays with extreme leverage quantities if you wanted to. So overall, that's going to go straight there. You know, as the first one here to look at, it's KSEX. You can see they've got new user rewards, they've got futures, trading, competitions, and more. So do have a little look at this. And when you sign up, you're going to get these different events that you can complete and do. These are tasks that you can complete to get some free money. Next up, we've got MEXC. This is one of the most popular ones in the entire world. MEXC are giving away quite a lot. As you can see, they've got a claim 100 USDT here. They've got like $10 vouchers. Very trusted, very secure exchange, very liquid as well. They've got great 2FA features, highly secure. This exchange is all about security, and they deliver low fees. The fees aren't as low as KSEX. Actually, the KSEX fees are the lowest in the market, if you didn't know this already. Their spot fees are 0%, and their future fees are effectively 0%. However, MEXC's is slightly higher now. They've got brilliant liquidity. They've got great spot futures sides here. You can do earning things like staking protocols. You can buy your crypto as well. You can go straight in, and you can use things like Apple Pay, Visa, or MasterCard to actually acquire some cryptocurrency. So it's very easy. Very straightforward to do. And of course, you know, this is another exchange right now in the crypto space that are giving away some freebies. So do check it out. Have a look down below. I think you'll really like this exchange as well. MEXC, for sure, it's one of the goodies out there. It's one of the decent coins, not coins, but it's one of the decent exchanges that is worth actually looking. You can buy with a credit card, crypto via bank account. You can do it with MEXC P2P. You can use third-party payment methods. There are lots of ways to on-ramp into MEXC, which makes it a very popular exchange. And when you research this exchange, all the news is pretty much fantastic. Now, I do want to say before we talk about the third one is that if you want to enhance and grow in the crypto market, have a look at my Patreon, Jacob's Crypto Clan Patreon. The link is down below. This will give you access to early alphas, trading signals. It's going to give you stealth launches, pre-sales, education, resources, and tons of opportunities to grow in the market. And this will give you wins like some of the ones you can see on screen here with all the traders in my Discord, Jacob's Crypto Clan. Look down below to join the Discord for free. If you want the VIP premium section, it's in the Patreon, which is also just down below for you people. Now let's crack on to that next exchange, which is Bitfinex. Bitfinex is another great example of a good exchange here. They've also got copy trading features where you can actually copy other successful traders in the market and try and print and follow in the footsteps of their positive ROI. But of course, it's another one where you can jump straight into. You can buy crypto nice and easy. You can use MasterCard, Apple Pay, anything else that you want to use. But in general, you know, this is a really cool exchange. They've got copy trading. They've got staking platform here where you can stake your assets if you wanted to for some really high APR. You can see up to 11.6% on Tether, and Ethereum flexible staking at 9.3% as well. So really generous with their offerings here on the staking side of things too. So in a nutshell, you have three exchanges. You have KSEX, which is the lowest fees, fully anonymous, globally accessible exchange here, giving away $370. You've got MEXC as well, doing some sign-up bonuses. This is probably if you combine basically Bitchnix and KSEX together, you're effectively going to get MEXC. And then, of course, we've got Bitchnix on the side here, which you can use. Another great exchange for doing spot trading, leverage trading, all these things that you need to do. I don't like the UX and the UI, as much as the other exchanges. It's not as user-friendly. It's a bit kind of compact and small for me. But in general, these are some great exchanges. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new here. Remember, this isn't financial advice, and we'll see you very, very soon.